Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Wave accounting for small business bookkeeping, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin using Wave accounting for your small business bookkeeping, head to the Wave accounting website. Click on the sign up button located in the upper right corner of the home page. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Once completed, click on the Create Your Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your inbox for the confirmation email and click the verification link. After your email is confirmed, log back into your Wave account. You will be prompted to enter some basic information about your business. Provide your business name, address, and type of business entity. Once that's done, click on Continue to move to the next step. Now, you will need to link your bank account to Wave for easy tracking. Select Connect a Bank from the dashboard. You can search for your bank by name in the search bar. Once you find your bank, click on it to proceed. Log in using your bank credentials to securely connect your account. This will allow Wave to automatically import your transactions. Review the permissions that Wave requires and confirm them. After your bank is connected, Wave will begin syncing your transaction data. It's a good idea to categorize your transactions once they've been imported. Review the categories suggested by Wave and adjust them if necessary. Explore additional features in Wave, such as invoicing and receipt scanning. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the reporting tools available. Keep your bookkeeping up to date by regularly checking in on Wave. This will ensure you have accurate financial insights for your small business. Once you're comfortable with the basics, consider exploring advanced features as you grow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.